Welcome to Wealthy Frog and your wealth tip for today. We're continuing on shares and we're going to talk about basic portfolio construction techniques. Okay, this isn't rocket science, but it's very, very purposeful and it's a great way to help manage your expectations when it comes to outcome or what you get from your investments in the share market. We're talking core and satellites. Okay, core is blue chip investors. That's where the shares are providing a dividend, and we're into those for consistency in return rather than for short-term results. The satellites is more speculative. That's where we're going for short-term results, and so we're purely growth orientated, and we're in it while it's going good. Now, when we develop a portfolio, how we weight that, how much we have in the core and how much we have in the satellite, dictates the risk that we take on in our portfolio. So if we went all blue chips and just stuck with long-term proven companies that have got the runs on the board, then we take less risk than if we go into companies that are just listed and very new to the market, have yet to prove themselves. That's a much more risky asset choice. So core and satellite, or blue chip and spec, is how we want to build our portfolio. I'd suggest starting the core, put the farm into that and work on consistency, and once you get more experience you can start investing and having a go at the more speculative options. So great way to manage your expectations. When you look at blue chips, you know it's going to be dividend as a component of return and you're going to get some growth, so you can pretty much manage what your expectations as far as what you expect to achieve from that investment from on a yearly basis. And then on the spec stuff, got to put a bit more effort in because they're a bit harder to find and therefore much more risky. And so that's what we talk about at the Frog. One, how to participate in both of those, but two, how to manage your expectations and build a portfolio around that core and satellite approach. So keep that in mind. If you want to find out more information, check us out, wealthyfrog.com.au.